Hey everybody, today this video is going to be about repairing an underground PVC drainage pipe. We noticed this PVC pipe was bubbling up, spilling up water into the topsoil when it was raining really heavily, and so we thought that there was maybe a break in the PVC. So this video is going to be explaining how to find the spot that is broken and how to repair it with just a few materials you may have laying around at home. By no means should you use this repair type to repair, let's say, a sprinkler line or an important drainage pipe, or for sure nothing indoors. But because this repair was outside, it was a non-essential drain pipe, and because it was close to the surface, we were able to use some of these supplies that we had lying around. So, without further ado, let's go outside and let's do some things. Alright, so here's the problem. So we noticed that there was an underground leak somewhere coming out of the gutter pipe, downspout. Didn't know where it was, so first what we had to do was find the location of the leak. We traced the pipe down from the roof, found a little bit poking out right there, found some more right here, and there is our leak, right in there. At this point, I'd like to extend a special thanks to my father, Billy, for doing pretty much everything and relegating me to the position of videographer. For that, I'm very thankful. But I did learn something today, so that was good. But hilarious.
We've identified the hole right here. It's about, you get 2 fingers in, and this is where the water was just bubbling up. So the first thing we did was clear it out, dig it out, and then just clean this up a little bit. And we just had this was a pool bucket that had some pool chemicals in it, and using a common cutting knife, I'm going to cut out a patch here to use to patch that hole. Of course, you want to have your safety gloves on when you do this, and make sure nobody's in the range of your cutting. So I've already started here. You can see I've cut out a piece, just using a box knife here to cut out the patch. We want to have a patch that's going to wrap around that. I think that's probably a big enough piece there. So then we're going to cut this off. And you can see there's a little angle there, so I'm going to put the larger end up and see if I can't form this to fit around that. Something like that. I've just taken 2 common coat hangers and undone them and put a bend in them. Just grab my pliers from the shop and push the coat hanger under the pipe, just threading it in gradually until the other end popped out. And there you can see the 2 ends of that coat hanger, and I previously put in this white one here, and that's what I'm going to use to tie it down. We're going to use 2 ways to hold the patch in place. I'm just using heavy-duty liquid nails, interior, exterior, and I've loaded it up into my gun, and I'm going to apply this along the borders here where I'm going to apply the patch. And again, this is an outside application, so we're not concerned about runoff or anything like that. put a generous amount on here so that the patch is gonna make a good seal. Alright, so you can see the liquid nails all the way around. So now we've taken our patch and we're just forming it to fit around the PVC pipe. And now we're going to put the patch in place over the hole that we found. I'm going to tuck in this back end. Push it right into the dirt and then wrap that around. Now you can see my wires here that coat hangers that I've already previously passed through. I'm going to use this to hold that patch in place. I'll trim off some of the excess. I have attached the first coat hanger and twisted it up around the patch to hold it in place. And then I'm going to just bend these wires down so that somebody, probably me in the future, doesn't dig this up and get cut on. All right, and we're going to twist this tight. Hold that patch in place. And you can see the liquid nails bonding is oozing out of the end, so that should produce a good seal there to keep anything from running down into it. I'll just put a little bit more here along the edges. Seal it up. Keep anything from getting in our pipe. Same thing on the front side. That was perfect. All right, now that's had a chance to get good and dry. And I'm just gonna bend down those ties again. And I've just gotten some screen. I had a roll of screen from repairing a screen on the house earlier. I'm just going to cut off a little piece here and wrap that around, and in case there are any areas that didn't get sealed off by the glue, the liquid nails, this will keep out any pieces of wood or anything that might get in there and keep from clogging up the pipe. So I'm just going to trim this up a little bit. All right, John, if we want to go ahead and get some of that dirt back on there.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching today's video. Really enjoyed making it for you. We'll have one coming out next week, so make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so you get a notification about that video coming out next week. It's gonna be a surprise though, so don't get your hopes up about anything super crazy happening. But as always, let me know what you thought about the video in the comments, and if you have any ideas for future videos, also let me know in the comments. So, thanks for watching. See you next time.